Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lecture we will discuss how to create surfaces through Material Studio, how to create cleaved surfaces through Material Studio. So for that I am going to import a geometry from the library of the Material Studio. For example, these are the semiconductor geometries. For example, we are interested in Zeno to create the surface of Zeno. First of all, I want to change the display style of the geometry to ball and stick mode. So here from this you can change the mode of the display. After that, when you want to create the cleave, go to build option, and here and build we have another option with the surfaces, and surfaces click on a cleaved surface. When you click on cleaved surface, this type of interface will be appear, in which these are the Miller indices. So you need to be provide Miller indices for creating surfaces. What type of surface you need? For example, I want to create a 111 cleaved surface of the Zeno. So here when you provide Miller indices, click on cleave. So through this you get the 2D sheet of the Zeno. After that, again go to build to display style, and here go to latex. See, here we have only 2 dimensions. From here you can increase the supercell of the 2D sheet. So basically we can see this is 2-dimensional sheet. For that we need to build a vacuum slab. So from here in crystal option we have option with the build vacuum slab. Click on this. So we will get this type of interface. It will need different types of parameters like vacuum thickness, crystal thickness, slab position. You can give your parameters according to your desires. So for example, when we click on build, we will get a vacuum slab for this 2D sheet of the Zeno. So you from here, from latex parameter, you can change the value of A, B, C, and also angles of alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, so if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask. After that we will go how to make different layers structures like heterojunction, and another like how to absorb materials through faucet, and other modules, how to optimize the structures of different layers. So we will discuss one by one.